Hi Ravi, good morning.
Morning, Lee. Where are we going today, Lee?
We are going to an interesting event called Vita Science, that is specifically for primary school students like us.
What does the Vita Science program is about?
I'm not sure Ravi, let's get to know more about it at the event.
Hello, welcome to Vita Science booth.
Hello sir, nice to meet you. May I know what does this Vita Science is about?
Hello sir, nice to meet you too. Alright, Vita Science is the ideal educational platform for learning coding, which features innovative tools for teaching.
Hello there, let's get into on how Vita Science works. What is on, start and forever? How to differentiate the functions and how does it work? On start works as a limited function while forever works like a loop. Now this is on start and forever and I'll show more details about this in this video. LCD clear display works as a reset function for the input text that we insert. So this is the LCD clear display and it does enable to clear the entire LD text that we insert in. So there are two parts in the LCD application, online 0 and 1. 0 will display on the different view and 1 will display on the same as the previous input text. And this is the application that I've told earlier, and there is a starter kit so we can insert any text in it. For example, I'll insert there like welcome to U10. And there is the online where there will be content of number 0 and 1. While that, the position has 16 bits where we can choose any of them. So these are the position number that I've told earlier, and this indicates the value for each of the bits. And this is the timer, and we can choose seconds, milliseconds or microseconds as we wanted. This will show how the time will delay for the input that we insert. Now I set the timer to the 2 seconds and I run it, and we can see that it shows welcome to U10 as we wanted. There are also many other functions like display. We can choose any of them, like it will show the colors for the LCD display, and also inputs that we can use, and communications, sensors, actuators, robots, and loops especially. We might use it a lot, and forever is also there. Now I want to show some extra functions. I'm going to choose the LCD display and I'm going to place it in the on start, and we can see that it is there. And yeah, oops, I accidentally moved it, but it's okay, we still can find it. And yeah, we place it again on the on start. So yeah, and we can see there is a lot of colors, and I'm gonna choose a yellow color, and I'll try to run it and see. So we can see that the LCD color changes into the yellow color. And now I'm going to insert some more inputs into the on start function, and yeah, there's one, and there's another one, timer, and I'm gonna add another clear display so that it will not interrupt. The welcome to U10 text. Then I'm gonna adjust the seconds to the 2 seconds, and the online will be in 0. I'm going to change the Vita Science to the BENC3443, and yeah, the online will be still remain on the 0, and I'll show another example when it is in 1. Now we try to run it and see how it works. So we can see there is a clear text in that, and yeah, it is easy to learn by using Vita Science. Now I'm going to show another example and see what will happen if we remove the clear display and we'll try to run it, and we can see that there is some interrupt in the inputs that we give earlier. And now I'm going to try to change the online to the number 1 value, and we'll see. So this is the example that we can see when we change it, the online to the 1. And now I'm going to play around with the position numbers, and I'm going to run and see. And yeah, so you see the position of the text that we insert, it's moved forward according to the bits number that we choose. Now I'm going to move everything to the forever functions, so we can see some clear difference that will show through the forever function. So we'll place one by one. Yeah. So we also can refer the code that it gave at the side, but we cannot adjust it. Now we'll duplicate one function to the onStart, so we can play around with the both functions. And yeah, I'll adjust the words to multimedia subject name, and we try to run it, and we can see that the function that we insert in the onStart only displays one time, and the functions in the forever will display like a loop for a few times, and unlimited can be set. Now I'm going to add a clear display since I forgot earlier just now. And yeah, you can see some changes throughout there once we add it in there. So welcome to multimedia and BENC3443. We can see once we inserted the clear display, it does not interrupt by the before text that we inserted earlier. So we also can play around with the timer that we wanted the text to display, and see. And then I'm going to play around with some colors. I'm gonna add some colors to the LCD display. Will make it more fun and colorful. And I'm gonna choose green color for the first one, and blue for the second one, and then pink for the last one. So let's see. So green, blue, and pink. So see, we can just play around with these beta science functions that they created. It's really easy. And there's another most important part in these LCD functions. So the thing is that LCD functions only support for 16 digits only, and if we insert text more than 16 digits, and it will not display in the LCD. So I'll show some example. So I'll just write something here and run it. Oh sorry, we couldn't see it properly. Since the words are same, I'll change them. Okay. And you guys can see now. I'll run it, and yeah, see, there's some interrupt in the words, so only 16 digits that will be suitable for this LCD. So that is all for the explanation. That is all for now. Thank you for learning about Vita Science.
That's really interesting. I'll let my friend Vanish to know about this. He really likes such things like this.
Plus, students can explore science communications through multimedia content creation, and also will gain a lot of coding knowledge.
Alright, thank you, sir.
You are welcome. Bye.